Curious minds. Wonder Lab. Everyday superpowers. What if I told you that even the simplest objects like a balloon hide superpowers? Watch closely. Or that water can climb against gravity, as if it had a mind of its own. Welcome to Wonder Lab, where we uncover the science hiding in plain sight. Let's unveil today's big question. You all know everyday heroes, so tell me, what superpowers are hiding in everyday materials? Meet the lotus effect. Tiny bumps on the leaf surface stop water from sticking. Scientists copied this design to create waterproof fabrics, stain-proof clothes, and even self-cleaning windows. A flat sheet tears easily between steady hands. Until you change its structure. Folding and layering transform it into a powerhouse just like engineers do in skyscrapers and airplanes. Magnets have invisible force fields, repel each other. When arranged just right, they can make objects float. This is the science behind maglev trains, hovering above tracks and racing at over 600 kilometers per hour. A real maglev train glides at speed, in a sleek cityscape. Now it's your turn. Can you build a paper bridge strong enough to hold a stack of books? Share your results with Wonder Lab Challenge. Thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe for more Science Unlocked.